to
Did you just try and sit on a table?
Yeah.
Why would you sit on a table?
Why would you sit on a table on wheels?
I don't know, I'm good now.
Okay. You alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Table's on.
That will fit in very nicely with the very first part about me.
Is the dog okay?
Oh, the dog ran to me.
Okay. Well, then we're just making sure you're okay.
It is in order enough.
You couldn't do that to the purple one with the dent in it?
No.
Okay. You know you're not going to let this down for a while now, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Today's Captain's Blog is made possible by a grant from Chris Storer. Thank you, sir. Hey, Joey! Can you do me a favor? You're grinding? Don't do it over the power supply or the speakers with magnets in them.
So, we'll have to pull it off.
Yeah. Because, oh my god. Hi there guys, welcome to today's Captain's Blog. It's 11:54 on Thursday, July 27, 2017. Joey's here, Bruce is here, Funk is leaving. You say that, but there's a pool going. And we are at the final preparatory stages with the tornado siren, which does that. Here's a good look inside the chopper. It does have one hole for each one, doesn't it? Yeah, just about. Cool, okay. I always wondered if this was like an odd number to the holes or even or what. So here's the motor inside it. And the brushes. Oh, you can grind them off, you just gotta take it off of there.
If this alum even works. No. Just made a mess.
Okay.
Want to drive the forklift?
Yeah, I can drive forklift. I got mad skills, man.
Take one bolt off.
Okay. Hold that.
Good.
Want it up?
Yep.
Anyone to grind on it? You want me to take it outside or something?
Anywhere's fine. Just gotta watch the bolt.
Right about here. Cool. You gonna be set down? Alright. I just want you to be happy and comfortable.
I'm comfortable. Okay.
I'll bet Bruce can even hold that for you so it doesn't swing around.
Maybe.
Or do are you feeling adventurous?
I don't feel that adventurous with a grinder with no handle on the side.
Okay, then have Bruce hold it so
Yeah.
that it's flat to the front. I'll take the camera. There's no good shot here. I'll be back.
Yeah, quite heavy, so.
I'm thinking some wrench.
We're gonna have some straps, some
Okay,
people
that's
helping.
like-
Yeah, you're not
bounce.
going alone.
I bounce a lot.
Here's the fun part. You can push it up against it all you want.
Wow, that's really heavy. Did you see how far down that sank when they put it up there?
Did you hear the cracking noises?
Yeah.
Those are bad noises. We don't like those noises.
I just thought that was your elbows.
Not your bones. Carry
Man of your age. Alright, so I want a couple people with this, preferably like in the basket, to just steady it, guide it. If we can strap it down a little bit, but there's only so much we can do. I want some people like actually with it for love and
I
protection.
don't want to move it too much. In the basket's fine, but I don't have much space for side to side going down the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Telephone poles. Careful not to touch that wiring.
You're gonna have to. We'll pull it through.
Oh, there's
So you know what we can do now that we've got Tom, Taylor, and Joey can finally do a Geek Group calendar of hot shirtless men. Especially with Joey.
You know it.
I think it needs to happen. Because I keep having people ask about this, and I'm like, you don't want that with no. But we got to put you, me, and Bruce in there too, just to even it out. Yeah.
It'd be hilarious.
Yeah, that's your comedy.
not inside, but around the outside.
We throw Casey in, and we superimpose a man's body, we throw our head on a man's body, and then go hilarious.
I thought you were already there.
Yeah. I rock a skirt better than you, not gonna lie.
You?
Yeah.
Batman rocks the skirt pretty hard. He's a pretty man.
You're gonna have to be jealous now.
I ordered my kilt too.
Oh, did you?
Yup.
Nice.
And with this shirt and a kilt,
Yeah.
I am a fashion statement.
That is
With
a
those big pockets on the kilts, you can hold lots of little cars in them, too.
Oh my God. Elizabeth you know how she's doing the laser cut stuff with magnets?
Yeah.
She wanted to make some little cars for my shirt.
Oh my
Isn't that
God,
great?
you should.
I will do this. One of them needs to be like a little Mitsubishi with the black and yellow, and yeah. Yup.
Looks like a Nick Jr. special.
You look like what Mr. Rogers is wearing under his nice clothes.
Yes.
Body armor.
Hey there, neighbor.
Just run down.
See, to me, I don't see the blue at all. It just looks like a disco light kind of thing.
Hit the sides. Thank you.
Well, hook right into the.
She was mocking your lights, and I'm like, hit the sides.
So, I have my wing mirror that I haven't put in any vehicle, and I found out it's about the right, perfect width to go from in between. So,
Why would you do that?
because I gotta back up a lot.
You turn around
I
and
have
look.
an extra wing mirror. I don't have a vehicle to put it in.
This doesn't have a blind spot.
Right.
Like
But I like having-
the funny thing is,
I know.
the worst blind spot on this forklift is right in front. Yeah.
Want to twist that a little bit?
Wouldn't want to make sure.
Do you need to know how to do that?
Just hook it however the hooks go together. It's not going to be tight.
I did. I almost wore singles again. And I was like, wait, no. You should
Always have a pair of shoes in your car.
Well, we have a locker here that we will let you use. You can have your own locker here, like with a lock and everything.
I mean, I'll just wear shoes.
Okay.
Probably a good idea.
Yeah, I would just want to move
All right.
the other way.
This is a video clip right here that really needs to have the baby elephant walk played behind it. I want to replace that railing so bad. I already know exactly what to do it with. I could do the whole project in a week. It's just one of those things you need to throw a few grand at. It's really, the fittings are like 20 bucks a piece. And the tubing's like, I think $6 a foot. Every time I look at that, I'm just like, God, I want to fix that. Yeah, I want to do it with aluminum.
Why not just do steel?
Do you want to? It is steel. Look how bad it looks.
Well, it's about 60 years old. Come back with handicaps or called cripples.
They're still called cripples by the cool kids. Hey, Batman, how you feel about this?
Pretty well protected.
Okay. Bring it up a foot. Set your mast to level.
Yeah. Well, take the basket out, flip the seal, they can be in there, not do scratch.
Yeah, that smell is Arnie's. That's definitely Arnie's.
Smells like bread.
It's because there's a giant commercial bakery right up the road. You know what it's called? Arnie's. Not to be confused with a restaurant across the street, which is also called Arnie's.
And they're not the same?
Same company. Yeah.
Okay, that's better.
There's some nice rage drive in there, bro. You know you could have just parked right over there and been fine. In a hurry, with complete disregard for public safety and traffic laws and common decency. You almost killed like 8 people.
Yeah.
I was scared. I had concerns.
Like the shoelaces.
Huh?
I like the shoelaces.
The blue ones?
Yeah.
I just want to be pretty.
Blue's good color. Yeah, the last time we were up here, I was wearing the same ones, and that's why he was giving me shit earlier. I was wearing flip-flops, so it was never really the worst.
Using the basket on here is so much better. That's good. All right, let's unstrap it.
Usually people don't. They just fall off and do it.
That's what if I'm not.
Yeah, I mean,
Live a little. I mean, it's the opposite of living.
it will be fun. We're gonna be careful. You can't set them face down.
I got a plan for each step of the way.
Somebody hears a smoker. Gross.
Huh?
Smoker. That's gross.
No, I had a guess that was a smoker. It was a client. 2 of them at the same time.
Alright, so maybe just sort of slide it this way and then we'll grab that bell. Hold on.
You can pretty much grab anything except this. Don't grab that. Everything else on it's metal.
Whatever. Can I do the help? Yeah.
Don't set it down. All right, bring it on over here. If we gotta set it down, we'll set it down on the wood. Set it down right here. Yeah, we can set it here and then get better grippage. All right, the next transition is to get it from here up to here. And we'll do it right here because we got a nice sturdy deck to stand on. Set it up here, and then we get from there up to the next roof and over there. It's easy, we got this.
Yeah.
Now, do we want to take this?
Somebody should be above with a strap. Put a strap through here.
How about you take that piece of wood and make sure that this lands on it so that we don't stab the roof, okay?
Or I can go up there and grab onto this as soon as I get it up there and pull it up.
Yeah, that sounds easier than messing with straps.
Alright. Let's twist it so it's even.
You want to set this face down because he's going to want to grab that, and you want to have this face down and the base facing me. I'm over here though. Okay, so we're going to pick it up, and Joey's going to grab it right here and help guide that part on the roof. This is what happens when you don't listen. I say don't pick it up by the thing.
I didn't pick it up by the thing.
No, but somebody did before, and that's why we have that rule now. See?
Somebody lost a
Alright.
bird feeder.
Huh?
Somebody lost a bird feeder.
Yeah, that's terrible.
Hopefully no one lost that bird.
All right, I'm gonna get up high.
Let's get the straps, guys.
Yeah.
We're so close. It's really heavy.
I know it is. It was just like, it was so weird. It's like,
Yeah, it's
Some good moves going on. Like,
Yeah, it was pretty hot.
impossible to move anymore.
You could have done it.
Yep. By myself.
Hey, just hand it here. Just hand it here. It'll be okay. If you just hand it here. Just hand that whole thing, yeah, just hand it right up here. We got this. It'll be alright. We'll give you the strap in a moment. Just give me the handle.
Put your ratchet strap in. Just give you some good use.
Okay. Here, hold on. Wow.
yeah.
Yeah.
Whoever's lifting on the strap, make sure it's an upward force, not a forward force.
Here, just get it so it's not around that sharp corner. But though you want it further toward you, yeah, like that.
You ready?
Ready.
That is smooth and graceful. That's beautiful.
Got it? Yeah.
All right, you guys come up quick. Look at that, like Baywatch. This is where we want to take the strap off it.
Yeah. You gotta pull it the other way.
This way,
We had a hook on this end. You just go like this. Around it. We gotta pull it over there.
We'll leave that here. We may need it again later. Okay, now we all want to be careful of the pipe on the roof to not trip on it that we're about to walk past.
I'm gonna carry it upright like that, or
Where are we going?
are we going this?
We're going up and over the pipe.
Okay.
That's good.
And then straight up and over. You want to grab the wood for the next bit? Hey! Yes, stop. Pick it up. Pick it up now. Pick it up. There's a bolt right here and a bunch of rocks in a tight point, and this is a rubber roof under all these rocks, and you're going to put a hole in it. Just wait a second. Let it sit there.
That's fine. We can do it the hard way. Or we can do it the easy way. Would you be flipping it over?
No, not unless there's a piece of wood under it. I got 250,000 reasons why you're not going to do that. Pick it up. Pick it up. There you go. Now flip it on that.
We ain't to that point yet, Bruce. We wish we were.
Now we get to the hard part. Hey, yeah, we'll need those.
We can just scare it. We can just set it down. We can figure out how we're gonna set it face like
I think the next part is we just pick it up, set it down on the bottom there, and then have a moment of head scratching.
this. Yeah.
Okay. Because I have no idea how the hell we do the next part.
No, because we gotta hold it up there and like
Yeah,
suspend
and then
it,
there's
you gotta
stuffing.
shove some
And,
wires.
yeah. All right. All right, let's pick it up and set it down on that base. We're gonna set it on the corner that faces the northwest. Captain, to IRC or live stream, you might want to spin the roof cam around to watch mounting the Siren. We'll be back after head scratching. No, it actually is easier at that point. That way. That's what I want everybody to be.
got this back. Put that lined up to go here. So look out the black pack. Don't worry about it. Oh yeah. Hey, we're almost there.
That's not it. It's finding the hole because we're doing this entirely blind.
Yeah, if you can see it on the bucket, you can see the hole.
Can we help you at all?
Bruce, do you need the bucket?
Try the bucket. Oh, no.
You got it?
Almost.
You need the bucket?
We'll use the bucket.
Okay. Here, stand on a bucket on a platform next to the edge of the roof. It'll be totally safe.
Put the safety wires for.
Yeah. It's gonna be fine.
Well, it makes me feel better about myself.
Huh? What is this?
Tornado sign.
It's a weird time to ask this question.
I don't know. No one told me before this, and this is.
What is this big damn thing we're carrying up
Yeah,
to the
this whole
roof?
time he's just been totally cool with hauling this fucking thing up on the roof. And then he's like, what am I hauling up onto the fucking roof?
I mean, if I asked a question every time I didn't know something was going on, I would
You'd
never
be
stop.
smarter is what would happen. You'd learn shit.
You're right, but I'd also never stop asking questions. And
That's
never-
okay. You're at the Geek Group.
But I wouldn't be able to help you lift this because we'd be talking down there for 4 hours when I continued to ask questions.
Which would be better? To have spent the half hour before we did this teaching you what we were doing and why and how and all that jazz, or talking about fucking big gains and your whey protein bullshit and your tit excavation?
And to be fair, that was almost all you talking to him about
that was pretty much all you, really.
That was all you. I don't know what you're talking about.
I can't stop thinking about your tit excavator. There.
It's okay.
Keeps me
you
up
don't
at
have
night.
to be embarrassed about
I'm
it.
not. I'm proud. First thing I think of when I wake up in the morning is your excavated tits.
I can only hope.
Quite often, yeah. So this is where it's real shitty not to have pocket tape.
You know, this brings up a funny point, and that's that if something did happen and you fall off the roof, you wouldn't even know why the fuck you died.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
you'd be so vengeful at that point. What was I even doing? Why was I up there?
Probably wouldn't die.
No.
Yeah, I was
From this
just gonna
height, you spend the rest of your life in a chair, but you're not gonna die. Yeah.
I've always wanted to.
You wish you died.
I want to be a real boy.
A cool electric one too.
Hey, Bruce. No hurry, but you done fumble fucking around in there?
You try to fish through 2 inches of pipe.
I've never had to push wire through pipe before. I don't know anything
with
about that.
A hole exactly the same diameter as your wire.
I have no idea what that's like at all. Never done that. Just like to point out that wire's been in that hole before. That exact wire.
No, it has not.
We dry fit all this
Oh, we
downstairs
dry fitted it, yes.
with wire through tubes. We made sure
When
it
you were
fit.
standing at, looking straight in at it.
We did it under these exact circumstances, except without like half a dozen people helping at once.
First one's through.
Yay.
That's one! Pull a couple feet out and just be proud of yourself. I just hope that was negative.
That was negative.
Yeah? Okay.
We might be going backwards color coding, you know, who knows?
Now just do that same thing again, but prettier this time.
They have to trade.
So I'd like to point out, Joey has like the perfect golden blonde fro happening back here.
Thanks for pointing that out.
You're a pretty man.
So we want
My
to
mom
do a
says
juggle, and I switch with Joey now.
Okay.
So I want to be on that side.
You're not going to come around the back, you're going to go around
Yeah.
the front. Okay.
But I'm supporting this side.
You do that, you support that.
Make sure it doesn't do
You're
anything
very
crazy.
supporting. Now bring your lumber in a half inch.
Do you have it braced?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. I feel way
Yeah,
better about
much
that.
better.
Okay. That's good.
I'm indifferent. Yeah, my circumstance didn't really change.
You've always been a little different, but we still love you. You got your bucket. You got your dream. You're gonna be fine. John Heddish, eat your heart out.
I didn't get that reference.
John Heddish is a really cool dude, makes YouTube videos doing tower work. He would appreciate this.
Send it to him.
He's nowhere near as cool as we are.
He is
Doing this
way,
all the same.
way cooler than you. Wish your balls were half as big as John Heddish.
The downside with this, the low wires, it's like sending a hot dog down the hallway.
You're used to that.
God, I forgot your.
It just went up the other side.
Oh, that's even worse. Now she's gonna be pissed.
I don't know what happened, but that's his laugh and he finds it really funny.
That's what happens when you break Chris.
There.
You got it?
Heard it
Yep.
was-
Well, the small one.
Okay.
Okay. Is the other small one done? Okay, so now just the one big red one left and that's it.
You know what it sounds like? It sounds like a big metal dumpster being pulled across the concrete, like just like yanking it across the concrete.
Thought about that for a while, haven't you?
I have. I was trying to figure out what the noise reminded me of. I couldn't decide whether it was like dying dolphins or whether it was just the trash can being
You
scraped
ever heard
across.
of dying dolphin?
He has.
I've watched the Discovery Channel.
He
I
has.
don't know about dying, but
He has, and since that dolphin died, they won't let him in SeaWorld ever again.
Hey man, we agreed we wouldn't talk about that. ever
Well,
again.
you know, I signed a gag order, but some things just need to be told about. At least I signed a gag order. You just pinned that dolphin in a corner.
Yeah.
Did.
Who's asking for it?
Yeah, I mean, they still
Dressed like that.
Didn't really throw a match. Didn't say no, did it? No.
I mean, I don't know if it said no. I don't know what it was saying. It sounded a lot
Wasn't like Joey and his sheep. Sheep said, that's bad.
It sounded a lot like giggling to me, so I figured it was okay.
Can't tell if that's your impression now or if that's.
One line about Michigan Tech: the men are men, the women are men, and the sheep are scared.
This is a feature. this is definitely a feature.
No, yeah,
They're
I'm,
nice.
yeah, I'm glad it's like this. I just like.
We're not all up here dying of heat stroke.
Yeah, Joey has spent a lot of time on this roof in full sun, and the surface temperature of the roof's 120 degrees, and yeah, it sucks.
I quit when I feel like I'm gonna step through the roof. That's a real good
Smart is to bring some dish soap with us.
Now what's amazing about Joey is that he's that ginger, and yet somehow he still fucking tan. I don't understand.
He's a farmer. He's actually got jet black hair. He just spends so much time in the sun, it fades out.
I never thought I'd see what that had.
He's only half.
How's it going, Bruce?
We're through.
Yeah?
Now it's just fishing it.
Okay.
Joe, you can tell us if you dye your beard. Like, I understand.
I don't dye my beard.
I said some dish soap would go a long way. We'll do lubrication.
I don't need dish soap, but I got some Astroglide.
I was gonna say, don't you?
Astroglide works too.
I got a gallon and a half in my room.
I thought you got it by the drum.
No, you buy it by the little shaker can, like Parmesan cheese, and you just mix it with water. You turn a little, like, 16-ounce bottle of that into, like, a 55-gallon drum, and that's my weekend, man. I want to get, like, 5 bottles of that and dump it in a city fountain.
I have an idea for a community event.
What?
We can get KY to sponsor this, and we could just do like a downhill,
Like a slip and slide?
Yeah.
A lube luge.
Down,
That sounds awesome.
down
I would
on
do
Richmond
this.
Hill.
I would
Yeah.
do this. I would
Right into the-
absolutely do
right
this.
into the pond.
That'd be so fun.
Okay. I did my part.
It's in?
It's in.
Alright, so Bruce is gonna pull the back 2x or the back 4x4. Casey's gonna pull the front. Everybody lift up.
It's braced on this side. I'm gonna have to brace it.
Alright, you want me to pull it?
Yep.
Alright. We're good? We're good? We're good? We're out. Land it without crimping any wires.
Oh, that white one.
The wire.
Okay, it's in.
It's in?
Good.
Okay.
You're good, you're good.
We don't have the washers up there though.
It's okay. We can get those in.
Okay, I'm not fucking.
So it's two.
It's supposed to be sitting flush, right?
Two like.
No, it's supposed to sit on the washers and that. We gotta
2 and 2.
Is that
gotta
it?
raise them up.
Yep.
You're gonna tilt it down and make
Tilt
sure.
it.
You're gonna need more than that.
Yeah, I
I
think
think so
we do.
too.
You're gonna need like
No, it's
4 of the big
tilted
washers.
down right now.
Yeah, but not a lot. You're gonna need 4 of the big
No,
washers.
I sized it up against the.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
We need two, right?
But did you size it taking into account that this plate bends down to each side?
I did not.
Okay.
Let's throw another one in there. Yeah. Just,
Well, no, just we've got 4 more of these, and that's not enough.
so how are you gonna do it? 2 little ones on top of 1 big one?
Yep.
Okay.
It's the goddamn shoulder workout of the century here.
You liking it? You feeling it?
I mean, we can
Get those
switch
canes,
it
bro.
because like I'm not doing a whole lot.
Well, how about you do something then?
Well, like,
Gee, it isn't that hard.
He's not even sure why he's up here, man.
Okay, now we gotta rotate it like that. Now can you push it back a little
Push it
bit?
this way.
Where to?
You got that going?
Almost there?
We're gonna find out here quick.
I'm not on mine.
Oh, you're so close. though.
washers.
Yeah, he's almost there.
I'm in mine.
Ooh.
There we go.
We definitely need more washers.
Yeah, but we as long as we get the top ones good, we can come back and put them on the bottom. Okay. Here, I can hold it. if you want.
That's just enough for. We don't need it super tight because we're gonna have to get these in.
Yeah, we gotta right there. We're on there.
Yay, everybody can let go for the first time.
One
right.
more set of wash.
You 3 head downstairs and grab the big fiberglass cone and the zigzaggedy bit that goes inside. You can carry them right up through the building. We don't have to bring them up. They're not heavy, they're just awkward. Don't bang them against anything. They're really delicate. They're just made out of fiberglass, okay?
Yeah.
Cool.
We need a drill and line.
Quick question.
There's a drill right over here.
Yeah,
The
that will be
zigzaggedy
good.
piece, the
That's gonna
You
technical
need more
term.
washers.
Yeah, it's a zigzaggedy piece.
Yeah, we're gonna need
It's a folded horn, but yeah.
4 more half-inch washers.
4 more half.
Get 8. Get 8. Maybe 12. Yeah.
17, Eventually. Just gonna hope it's way taller when we walk over here.
Well, that really doesn't sound
Oh, that works.
too high of a standard with this room.
Okay, we got 3 that are 5/16 loaded at the top of the bridge. We got 2.
At least didn't throw it over the roof. It's fine.
Yeah, we're set
Well,
to
some
not.
of it's on my shirt, so.
This is the top. So yeah, well you're gonna have to hold it up a little bit. That's if I can get my hand in there. Or that happens.
5/16 or the
You can get 5/16. These guys. So,
Like that.
you gotta rotate that. I know, I'm just getting one in on this side so we can. So here, I'll screw it in a little bit more and then you can let it down on this side.
See it for this one.
Yeah,
Right there.
that would be 3/8. That will hold it up there.
Is that 3 in there or just 2?
2. Alright, I gotta go for the top ones. If everything's lined up. No, we're gonna have to drill these holes different.
Oh, okay.
top one.
The top one lines up with
Yep.
on each side we showed too.
This one does not, that one does.
Kinda
Hi guys, time is 15:29. Back up here with Bruce. Hi Bruce.
Hi there.
So Bruce is splicing in the main power feeds. Joey's over here, getting ready with the doghouse. And you could be putting the cone on.
Yeah. We can.
You and Tom could totally be putting the cone on. And the sun's coming through the clouds. It's not so bad up here until the sun comes out. Then it sucks pretty bad.
Jeez.
I'm trying out.
Why are you aggravating him?
That's what I do apparently.
Oddly, there's 6 holes in that, I think. Or
Okay.
5. There's 5. Good. Where's your dish soap? Way over here.
Did you bring up the grinder with the wire wheel like I told you? It's gonna be fine then. It's gonna be fine then.
Well, just a little bit. You don't.
No. Here, squirt that on your hand. Okay, you want a good dollop, and now gently run that around the inside. Just lube it up gently. You know what happens if you use too much?
No,
It'll blow bubbles.
That'd be cool.
That would be the coolest. If we had a tornado siren that blew bubbles, oh my god. That's quite the arbor setup you got there.
No.
That's high tech.
I found it this way.
I figure it won't hurt it and it might help. I don't know how much it'll help, but it's worth a shot. The fitment of getting the shroud over the horns is just ridiculously tight. And that's all made out of fiberglass, so we don't want to beat on it too hard to get it on here, so we're going to try and just buff this down a little bit. Smells nice.
Yep.
Some weird noises up there.
Bruce is having fun.
Having all the fun up
Go,
there.
Bruce.
It's going. This is the flexible ship too.
Yeah, this is a super easy, awesome to work with.
my wrists.
And we've got Tom's Super Scoot and Siren solution.
Now, it's really important that we kind of line those holes up before we smash it on.
Oh yeah, because you're not going to spin it once. Hey! You had one job, Tom. One job, and you let it slip past you.
One job.
Okay, maybe. Hey, I'm looking at the camera pointing at us. Hi there, guys.
Thank Elizabeth.
Excellent job, AV. Thank you, Elizabeth.
I just wasn't sure, like,
For the record, the only way we were able to do it was by physically going and finding the control for it upstairs.
All right, this is going to be a thing.
that's a good point.
Are you strangely aroused?
Right, yeah, yeah.
Just work it. Get it right in there.
4 fingers are wet.
You can't have too much.
Well, apparently you can, because when I...
Well, don't use the whole bottle, but
That should be good.
we need the orifice really well lubricated, but you don't want to run it all over the place. That's just asking for trouble.
Just wipe it on your pants. We don't want... I think you didn't have to. Okay.
What?
Were you saying something to the person moving the camera because I did not have a radio?
I was just saying thanks for being awesome and making that happen. I appreciate it.
We gotta make sure that the holes are lined up. Yeah. We gotta rotate like that. Yeah.
Shrek.
Well, we found a solution there. Good job, Tom, for bringing a lube.
I mean, he told me to. This is not lined up like the hole.
Yeah.
Well, because the other, me and Batman spent like 5 minutes pounding on each side of it to get this thing to move at all.
A little polish, a little lube. It's great. Tom, you're too high.
Too high?
I'm looking at the front of it.
I see what you mean, yeah. Maybe we got the wrong set of holes too. Because I can see the hole, but I don't think we're going to rotate it. We're 2/3 of a hole off. Yeah, I mean, I didn't know that.
I don't suppose that's got a top mark on it anywhere.
I didn't look.
Look for which side's got the dust on it.
I can't see. This side's got some dust on it right here, I can tell.
Pop it off.
This side's the top.
That's the top, yeah. Yeah, this is definitely the top over here.
So we were right.
yeah, we were right, yeah.
I got 2 holes lined up on this side. Well, proper planning there.
So just finger tight on the set screw, right, Chris?
Yeah. Just finger tight.
All we need?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Makes it easier for the electronics to jump over.
No, that's not about that one. Two starters.
Right in your way.
No.
Okay.
I'll make sure I got at least a hand on it. Oh.
Oh, that is not even close.
Yeah, we're gonna have to tap the top over quite a bit.
Oh yeah.
You know the shitty part now?
What?
I can't spin and rotate.
What do you mean?
To set myself up to work on the wiring, I spun.
You can spin it. You turn the horizontal shaft, she'll move.
It's a 6-8-1 warp drive.
No, not the vertical shaft, the horizontal shaft in the motor. You can turn that by hand.
From inside of here, which we just covered up.
Oh, there's no space between the gearbox and the motor, it's tight on there?
Yeah.
Oh, then yeah, you're screwed. Get a car battery we can turn it around.
Yeah. Well, we want to do that anyway since we tested it out. I can still do the rest of this as it is.
Are we worried about the heater right now?
No, I'm not going to worry about the heater. I think it's got plenty of heat at the moment. We'll worry about that when we do the final installation with the control box.
We're gonna need something a little heavier, just happy.
Grab a short length of 2x or something. I wouldn't use the big long 4x4 post.
Oh yeah.
Well, be gentle. We've got plenty of lube, so just be gentle when you cram that in the bag.
Or just set it and use this to tap it.
Actually, we gotta be really close.
I'll let you go. I don't want to get in your way. You're balancing on us.
Oh, mine's lined up.
You're good?
I can tell mine's not, but I don't want to knock him off, so.
Well, go ahead and do your thing.
Okay. Thank you.
Are you in? You're threaded in?
Yeah.
Ow! Fuck.
It has splinters.
They're very accident prone.
Yeah. How's your placement look there? Can you see it, or do
Yeah,
you
I
got,
can see it. It's not quite there yet. I'm really close from not there. I'm gonna look. Oh wow, did I go too far? What?
God, Tom.
What?
Man, I don't even know.
Oh, that was a big one.
Cool. You're hardcore.
That's good, nothing. Yeah, I know. I wanted to let's try. It should only take like one.
Alright, so time is 15:56 and we're gonna do the first operational test of the Siren. We're only doing it at 12 volts because it sucks to carry batteries up here, so we just brought one.
Full rotation that way.
Yeah, full rotation. Well, we can spin it if we have to, so just do a full rotation and stop. Okay, stop. I don't want to freak out half the town because we were like, why is there a tornado siren? Huh.
It worked.
I'd say it works. It works, it turns, makes a loud sound.
You didn't see anything.
Yeah, if we
weird
had the
in
internal
house?
power supply that we run it off of and spin this thing at 4 volts, then we'd be fine. But yeah, nothing's catching, everything's cool. All right, let's put the doghouse on it.
Ooh, pointing at my house.
All right, time is 16:04 and we're wrapping up the last bits, but the Siren is now installed on the roof. Thank you to the huge team of people who made this possible. You guys kicked ass, and this is a cool project. Today's Captain's Blog is made possible by a grant from Chris Storer. Thank you, sir.